Alright, here we are, tag team with a couple of my neighbors to dig a tunnel to the road, and we're looking at solid at least 5.5 foot of snow, because we're walking on probably a foot of snow. So we made our nice little tunnel out to the road, and here we are, like nothing I've ever seen before. Absolutely crazy. As we walk this way, you can see it's kind of like a tunnel. They've been working on trying to clear it. They got the front loaders in here, or whatever you want to call them. Madness. Look at these cars. More car shots. My neighbor tried to get to his car, so we're trying to dig him out so he gets something out of there. That's what we're dealing with. Incredible. Here's my car. We'll see what happens later. I attempted with my hands. It is gorgeous, I will say that. Gorgeous, incredible, very frustrating.